Good evening, students. In the last class, we were saying about the introduction to fluid mechanics. In that, we have studied what is all about fluid, then mechanics. We will have some um, go through in that. Fluid is nothing but a substance which deforms continuously under the action of shearing force. So we know that there are substance three substances which are exist in the nature: one is solid, liquid, and gas. We have seen that, and all. Then the difference between solid and fluid. Then we are also seen about what is mechanics. Mechanics is all about any object which is under motion. So in that, we have seen the object which is under rest condition is called statics. Similarly, which is under motion is called dynamics. So when you are relating fluid with that of the mechanics, we used to tell fluid statics and fluid mechanics. We have seen that also. Then we have seen about the kinematics and kinetics part and all. So now, today's topic, we are going to see about the application area of fluid mechanics. So if you see means, without fluid, the universe is not moving. So the fluid is one of the extremely important area in engineering as well as science. Here I have given some examples of all about the fluid mechanics. So if you take biomechanics, the blood flow in our body is all about the application of fluid mechanics. The passage of air towards our body through the cells of our body, it is also an application of fluid mechanics. Then if you see the household elements, what we are using in our day-to-day life, and the piping systems, about the flow of water, then natural gas as well as sewages. Then the networking system. If you see means in our area, there will be one tank. From the tank, the water will be distributed over to the entire area. So you can see the pipe, the branches of pipe which has been segregated. That is also an application of, as well as since we are studying about petrochemical engineering. Our most of our part is about after drilling we used to recover the oil from the rock, that is through pipelines. So here also the main application of fluid mechanics will take place. Then meteorological as well as ocean engineering, movement of air current and water current. Then if you see means, this fluid mechanics has been studied in mechanical engineering, civil engineering, as well as chemical engineering. That is a vital difference between the study of mechanical engineering, civil engineering, as well as chemical engineering. If you see means mechanical engineering, they will focus mostly on the hydraulic machinery part, whereas civil engineering, the static part will be covered, whereas chemical engineering, all about the designing of chemical process equipments, where this application will be mainly focused implemented while designing a chemical process equipment. Apart from that, these are some other applications of fluid mechanics, turbo machines, the study of pump, turbine, fan, blowers, propellers, etc., as well as aerodynamic part, missile, aircraft, ship, underwater vehicle, okay, where then automobile engines, IC engines, air conditioning, fleet flow, then medicinal area, electronics area, energy sector, oil and gas, and almost all the sectors without the application of fluid mechanics is not running. So here I have given some pictorial representation of the application. You can see the missile aerodynamics, how it has been developed, the automobile aerodynamics. Uh, these are all some applications of your fluid mechanics. Number of engineering applications. We have enormous applications of fluid mechanics. These are some applications of fluid mechanics. Next, we will see about the classification of fluid flow. Here, the fluid flow has been classified into numerous many type. In that, one is we will see what is all about. We have steady and unsteady state, then uniform flow, non-uniform flow, laminar flow, then turbulent flow, then compressible fluid flow, incompressible fluid flow, then viscous, inviscous fluid flow, and then rotational fluid flow, then one dimensional, two dimensional, three dimensional flow. These are some different types of fluid flow we are